Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do the DIY dash in Hobbycraft. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yui and I hope that you can subscribe. And if you never want to miss a video, please turn on post notifications. So let's go and DIY dash. Okay guys, so I found the letters, they're here, I've chucked them in my basket, so now I need to find some things to decorate these letters with, so let's do that now. Okay, so I'm running down this aisle, and I think I can see some things to put on the sign, so I'm going to try and find some stuff to put on the sign. As you can see, there's Pom Poms. Let me grab some. Oh, I can make something really cool with some tissue paper. What colours should we go for? Maybe I should buy all of the colours. Ooh. So these colours are nice. Okay, so I've got a few things, and now I'm just going to see if I can find something for the last letter. Oh look, there's some feathers. Right, I'm going to grab just a multiple bunch of colours. Okay, so time is nearly running out, so I need to see if I can find anything else and see if I can decorate this sign better. Hey guys, so I'm in my studio now, and I have everything that I got in 2 minutes on the DIY dash. So I managed to get some feathers, pom-poms, some tissue paper in these colours, and I think they look nice together. And I managed to get my name sign, which was the most important thing, because that was the whole theme of the DIY. And I managed to get them in white, which I think it looks really nice. Doesn't matter though, because I'll be covering it to make it, you know, a nice DIY. So for the rest of the video, I'm only going to have 10 minutes to DIY these signs and make them look really good. And I'm only going to give myself 10 minutes, that's it, and we'll see what we come up with after 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I have 10 minutes, right. So I'm going to start with pom-poms. These are the ones I got from Hobbycraft. How do you open them? Ooh. Okay, so these are pom-poms. And I'm just going to use my glue gun to stick them in. Okay, so I'm going to start on this one, right. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to glue these on, hoping that they stick well. So I'm just kind of putting them random. I don't really know what I'm going to do. Oh my god, it's already a minute. Oh no! Glue's getting everywhere. Ow! Right. This is taking so much longer than I thought it would be. I'm getting so hot doing this. I'm gonna start sweating. Outside it's like 23 degrees. This looks shocking, guys. This is so bad. Just gotta keep going. Keep adding pom-poms. Already 2 minutes. Oh my god. Ugh. I don't want to add too many colours that are the same together. I want them to be rainbow. Oh god. I need a big pom-pom for over here. Right, I'm going to move on. So I'm going to go on to this W, because I want to get, you know, the majority of it done. So I'm going to take these feathers. Oh no! I'm going to put the feathers on the white. Okay, let's go. Ugh. 3 minutes has been. What the heck? Right. So I'm just going to start sticking these on. Oh no, my glue's running out. God, luckily I bought some more glue. Oh my god, if I didn't. What the heck? Okay, here we go. Just getting these feathers on. Oh Ah! Burning myself. Okay. These colours are nice though. My glue gun's all feathery. Like 5 minutes left. Okay, this colour. Oh, I'm liking how this is looking actually. Okay, next one. Okay, I don't want that colour. Oh, I want a blue. Ah. Ooh, a yellow. That's what I need to put on. So I'm just kind of putting them on quite randomly because I'm running out of time and I need to put something on fast. So I'm going to put this green one here because that's nice. Okay, so we've kind of lost the shape of this letter. Oh, 5 minutes, right. I'm going to move on to the next letter. Ooh, it's feathery now. Ooh. Right, so now I'm going to use the the tissue paper to make like little pom-pom tissue paper things. Right, start with this green. Where are my scissors? Oh, there. Okay, I'm not quite sure how I do this, but yeah. So I'm just going to do this. Wait, no. I'll cut it in half. Then I will fold it in half, scrunch this up like this, and make it that, and then just cut into it. Oh god, this looks awful. Should have learned how to do this before. How does that look? That looks awful. Oh well, keep going. 4 minutes left. God, this is harder than I thought. Right, okay, then I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this at the top here. Gonna need quite a bit of glue for it to stay down. Well, that's not how I thought it would look. How does that look? Right, okay, keep going. Another colour. This purple. Cutting it in half. Then I'm going to fold it. Twist the bottom. Then I'm going to cut into it to make little pom-pom things. Oh my god, cut. Oh my god, 3 minutes left. Ah! This is so hard. Come on. I better not cut myself. I'm going to stick this over here. Come on, come on, come on. Right, I'll just stick that down. Right, I'm going to have to make it stand up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Dry. Dry. Okay. Right, next colour. Oh my god, it's coming undone. Right, I'm just going to have to hold it and do multitasking. Next colour, we'll do a blue. This blue. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half. Come here, scissors. 1 minute 50. You guys, I'm kind of liking it. Right, come on. Right, so I'm going to twist it. Twisting it. Right, so I'm going to cut now. Sorry about that, that's something driving past. Or flying past, I don't really know. Right, okay, fluff it up. 50 seconds! Quick, get this stuck down. Come on, dry, dry, dry. Right, I'm just gonna add some glue so it doesn't flop everywhere. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Get some yellow on that. No, pink. 20 seconds. Oh. Cut. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Here we go. Come on. my god, I'm gonna cut a finger off. Oh, time's up. Well, I mean, I did a decent job, I guess. Let me show you all these letters. Okay, we did that. We did this. It's looking pretty good. I mean, you can't tell it's a W anymore, but I guess it looks cool. Same with this one. Oh, I like the feathers. That looks really cool. Well, shows that you can't DIY a perfect DIY in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I know the 10 minutes is up on the DIY and I shouldn't do any more, but for my satisfaction and probably yours, I'm going to complete the DIY and then you can tell me if it's a good DIY or not. And I'll just fix it up, make sure you can actually read the letters this time. And yeah, so I'll finish it and then show you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I definitely enjoyed doing this video for you guys. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!